Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming access and removing friction. Sign into the Google account that has Gemini enabled and open the latest app or web interface. Once done, define a single, clear outcome, for example. Draft an outline, summarize a file, or generate code, and time-box this first attempt to 15 to 30 minutes so you iterate fast. Make sure to prepare your input: a concise prompt, 2 or 3 context sentences, and any file or link you want Gemini to use right away. You now focus on the middle work. Iterate prompts and guide Gemini toward your goal. Start with a base prompt, then follow up 2 to 3 times to adjust tone, length, or constraints. For example, request bullets or a one-page draft. Make sure to attach any files or use multimodal input if you have images or screenshots, and toggle response format settings so output matches your needs. For reliability, validate outputs by asking for reasoning, sources, and insist on one concrete revision. You finish by polishing and securing the result. Request a brief, actionable summary and a final pass focusing on clarity and format, then export as PDF, TXT, or Markdown. Once done, automate repeatable work by saving prompt templates or macros so you don't start from scratch next time. If things go wrong, try a single troubleshooting step. Clear the conversation context, reframe the prompt with a narrower scope, and rerun. This almost always fixes hallucinations or off-target responses and saves time on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.